So this is correlation between mass, volume and number. Mass, volume and number. Mass, volume and number. So mass, volume and number means if mass is given, you can calculate number. If volume is given, you can calculate its mass, like that. Okay. So now we can write for same chemical substance,
Recording in progress.
for the same chemical substance, formula of this mole will be equal. If mass is given, you can write molecular or molar mass. At the same time, suppose you want to calculate its number of the same chemical substance. I'm saying I've written for the same chemical substance. For the same chemical substance and for the same amount. And for same amount. So what you can write, this is number divided by Avogadro's number. This is volume divided by 22.4 liter. This is specially for gas, and gas must be at STP. 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 Okay, so let us one or two problems, then it will be clear. ये जो लोग लेट ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, मेरा सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज ज्वाइन अर्लियर वाला. You all are joining near about 10 minutes later. वेदिका, क्यों लेट हो रहे हैं भाई डेली? Please join earlier, huh? Please join earlier. चलो आ जाओ. Let us solve the problem. क्या है? Find out number of molecules present in find out number of molecules present in 34 gram of methane. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So apply this formula. Mass is given, calculate number of moles. Mass is given, calculate number of moles. Formula number 1, formula number 2. If mass is given, then calculate number also. The number divided by Avogadro number. Number divided by Avogadro number. So let us start solving problem. मैंने लिखा given mass equals to 34 gram. Okay, given mass equals to 34 gram. So moles of CH4 will be 34 upon 12 plus 4 is 16. So this is how much? Who will tell me?
2.125.
2.12 moles. Okay. Now moles are given. This is first one. Assume N is nothing but number of molecules present in 34 gram of CH4. So moles will be equals to number divided by Avogadro number. Surabhi, what is the answer? So this is first and second, both must be same. From first and second, moles must be same, for the same chemical substance. So it is 34 divided by 16 equals to number divided by Avogadro number. This implies that number equals to moles multiplied by Avogadro's number. Now tell me the final answer. Tell me the final answer. Bol, yes. Final answer, please.
$12.76.
12.76. सब लोग का यही आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is getting the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me the final answer.
$12.76 into 10 raised to power 23.
12.76 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23. Is it correct one? Imani? Any problem, please?
No, sir.
Arya, काय problem?
No, sir.
No. Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us write problem number second. What is the problem number second? तुमसे बोल रहा है कि if साहिल, कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या? चलो लिखो, प्रॉब्लम लिखो। इफ Sahil is having as much as money as there are number of atoms present in 4.6 gram of sodium, then find out money in his बैंक अकाउंट। समझ में आ रहा है प्रॉब्लम?
हाँ सर।
इन डायरेक्टरी में नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स पूछा है बस। डन?
नो सर।
तो सेम प्रोसीजर।
डन सर।
हाँ बोलो कितना आ रहा है?
1.20 into 10 raised to power 23।
420। चलो भाई देखो सब लोग का यही आ रहा है क्या? सुरभि,
Yes, sir.
आर यू गेटिंग द सेम
Yes, sir.
आंसर?
Yes, sir. I got 1.204 times 10 to the power.
Okay, so first mass of sodium given as 4.6 gram, so moles will be mass divided by molar mass. Mass is 4.6 divided by 23, so this is nothing but how much?
0.2.
0.2.
0.2. 0.2. Okay, Now this is 0.2, sorry. This is again 1. Now what you can directly write? If n is number of atoms of sodium in 4.6 gram. So moles will be n divided by n naught. So n divided by 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 second. So what you can write directly? Moles equals to n divided by 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. So what is the number? This is moles multiplied by 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 bus. So from first and second, put the value of mole. So this is number, mole is 0.2. This is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. So final answer 1.24. Yes, sir.
Into 10 raised to 20.
Into 10 raised to power 23. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
So
it is
this must
1.204.
1.204.
204.
Okay. 1.204. 1.204. Shall I proceed forward?
Yes, sir.
So this is the method for calculation of mass is given, number is calculated. Opposite of that, number is given, mass can be calculated. Opposite of that, number is given. Opposite of that, mass is given, number is calculated. Number is given, mass is calculated. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Similarly, volume, see, last lecture, last time, this is the relation between mass, number and volume. That's what I'm trying to correlate it in terms of numericals. See, by formula, if you are writing the formula, after some time, definitely you will forget, and definitely in the exams, you will not able to cope up with the numerical problems. That's what I'm trying to dealing with the numerical. Right? That's why we are dealing with the numerical part. Chalo. So mass is given, number is calculated. Number is given, mass is calculated. Let us correlate volume and mass or number. Okay. Let us find out mass and number of molecules present in molecules present in 90 gram of ethane at STP। तुम लोगों ने 10th क्लास में बिल्कुल भी न्यूमेरिकल नहीं किया होगा, मुझे पता है, आई नो। जितना न्यूमेरिकल तुमने पूरे 10th क्लास में साइंस में किया होगा उतना न्यूमेरिकल हो सकता है हम लोग एक चैप्टर में कर लेंगे। न्यूमेरिकल इज आवर स्ट्रेंथ इफ यू वांट टू क्रैक नीट IIT and even better marks in 12th class also, because if you are knowing the numerical, I mean how to solve the numericals, definitely you can write each and every aspect of the theory part. Okay, definitely you will be able to crack, definitely you will crack the theory part. Reverse is not true, reverse is not true, reverse is not true. If you are knowing the theory, then you will crack the numerical. No, I will show you so many students who got 98%, 96% in 12th class, but they are not able to crack. They are not able to crack even 60, 70 marks in NEET out of 180, or even 30% of IIT problem solving. Forget about JEE Advanced.
Progress.
Forget about JEE Advanced. They even can't solve a single problem of the JEE Advanced. See what I'm saying. This is my 13 year of teaching experience. Now same, mass is given. Now correlate with volume. Mass is given, correlate with number. So first calculate moles of C2H6,
Sir,
which is mass divided by molecular mass. Yes, please.
sir, shouldn't the question be find out volume and number of molecules because mass is given, right?
Okay, sorry. Find out not mass, that is number and volume. Because mass is given. Done. What is the molecular mass? That is molecular mass is 30. Molecular mass is 30. Molecular mass is 30. Done. Molecular mass is 30. This is first one. Second one, moles equals to number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number. So number of molecules, bolo. What is the formula? Moles ka number divided by Avogadro number. So number of molecules will be, tell me.
Moles into Avogadro's number.
Yes, सब लोग बोलो, mole multiplied by. किसी की आवाज नहीं आ रही, बिल्कुल wrong impression for me actually. बोलो. Deshpande.
Number of molecules is equal to mole into Avogadro's number.
Yes. तो कितना आया? This is 3 multiplied by 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23.
1.806 times 10 to the power of 20.
1.806 into 10 raised to power 24.
4.
Now, can you tell me how many atoms will be there? Anyone? See, if you are taking methane, ethane, if you are taking ethane, so in one ethane, how many atoms are there?
8.
8.
8. How it is 8? 2 for
Two.
carbon and 6 for hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
So one molecule is containing 8. One molecule is containing 8. One molecule is containing 8 atoms. So this much of atoms will calculate. Bolo? Jaldi bolo.
Sir, can you repeat once?
What I'm
Sir, can you please
saying,
repeat the question?
yes, what I'm saying, what I'm saying, the total number of molecules are 1.8 into 10 raised to power 24. Now one molecule is containing 8 atoms. So how many atoms will be present in this one? Multiplied by
8 multiplied by 8.
8. That is 8 into 1.8 into 10 raised to power 24.
3836.
Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And suppose it is asking to find out total number of atoms present in 90 gram of ethane. So do not calculate number of atoms directly. Please first calculate number of molecules. First calculate number of molecules. Then after calculate number of atoms in one molecule, multiply it by that number. Okay. So this is the part first. What is that? That is number calculation. That is number calculation. Now again, what else you can write? Moles equals to volume divided by 22.4 liter. So volume will be, bolo,
Moles into 22.
22.4.
moles into, सब लोग बोला करो, moles multiplied by
3 times 22.4.
22.4 liter. So mole
67.2.
is how much mole? That
3.
is 90 upon 30. Total volume will be
67.2.
67.2 liters. So are you getting any idea ki how mole is correlated with mass, number and volume? Mass, number and volume. Any problem till now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is there any problem till now, please?
Sir, can you
No,
explain
sir.
the atom thing that you told, that finding atoms?
Yes, next example I'm going to take. Whatever I was telling to find out number of atoms, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Next one, because slowly I'm increasing the level, slowly, मुझे पता भी नहीं चल रहा है, और slowly हम लोग एटम भी उसके लेवल को भी इंक्रीज कर दे रहे हैं, एंड जितना ज्यादा न्यूमेरिकल्स प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, that will be best for us, that will be best for us. ठीक है ना? दूसरे तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स न्यूमेरिकल में दे विल बी 0/0 नहीं आता है उनको न्यूमेरिकल्स वगैरह. Could you believe what I'm saying? थ्योरी में they will speak just like कि उन्होंने पूछो पूरा टेप की तरह. This is a recorded one. But whenever you are coming in terms of numerical, they are 0 by 0. So this is our strength. If you are knowing the numerical, you can explain the thing in terms of theory. I am telling again and again. Up to 12th class, I will say the same thing. If you want to crack NEET and IIT, if you want to become a doctor and engineer, so definitely this is the best part for you कि start solving numerical. तुम लोगों ने 10th में numerical किया था क्या ऐसे ही?
Recording in progress.
No, sir.
नहीं ना? तो फर्स्ट थिंग सेकंड थिंग इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है क्या? ये बोलो न्यूमेरिकल्स में.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
सुरभि पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है, ऐसा है क्या? चलो Suswan, is there any problem?
No, sir.
No. So what I was saying कि find out number of atoms. ठीक? I know it was not clear for all of us. So let us clear what I was saying. What I was saying. Okay? Suppose I am saying find out first number of moles. Second, find out total number of molecules. This is step by step. Second, third हो गया. Now fourth, find out is already there. No need to write find out. Now second, number of atoms present in number of atoms present in number of atoms तो हो गया number of carbon atom. थर्ड लिखा total number of hydrogen atoms. फोर्थ फिफ्थ लिखा total number of atoms. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
So within one problem, your all funda will be clear. Within a problem, your all fundas will be clear. ठीक है ना? If you want to crack NEET, IIT, definitely we should follow. We must follow the procedure. We must follow the procedure. चलो आ जाओ सभी लोग. अच्छा, देना क्या चाहिए? मैंने दे दिया in 156 gram of benzene. Do you know formula of benzene? Do you know formula of benzene? C6H6. Okay. C6H6. So part number 1. Moles equals to, what is the formula of mole? Please speak everyone. What is
Mass
the
upon
formula of mole?
molecular mass.
Mass divided by
Molecular mass.
Molar mass.
molecular mass. What is given mass? What is the given mass?
156.
156. What is the molecular mass?
78.
What is the molecular mass?
78.
78. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
No. So 156 upon 78. So final answer is
2.
2 moles.
2 moles. Okay. First part, now part second. What is the second formula for moles? Number divided by?
Avogadro's number.
Yeah, so this is number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number. So number of molecules of C6H6 will be 2 mole multiplied by Avogadro's number. Okay. Or you can write instead of 2, please write formula, then put the values. So this will be mole. Mole कितना आया?
2.
2. Avogadro's number कितना आया?
6.0
20
3.
to power 23.
बस. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now please do not write. Now please do not write. Now please do not write. Please do not write, I am saying. Now one molecule is containing how many hydrogen? Yeah, how many carbon atom?
6.
6.
Is there any problem?
No,
sir.
Please do not write, I am saying. One molecule is containing 6 carbon atom. One molecule is containing 6 carbon atom. So n molecules of benzene. One molecules of benzene will contain how many? Bolo? Will contain?
6N.
6n.
Yeah, 6n carbon atoms. Now please tell me if there is any problem.
No, sir.
नहीं है ना? Now the part third. Sorry, yes, part third. Number of carbon atoms. So number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms will be 6 into n. And what is 6 into n? This is 2 multiplied by 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is the part third. Now, please note down. Please note down. Ria, any problem?
No, sir.
Is there any problem, please?
No, sir.
No. No problem. No problem. Its next part is total number of hydrogen. Now the same procedure. मैंने लिखा in one molecule there are 6 hydrogen atoms. Okay. So total number of hydrogen atoms कितना हो जाएगा 6n. Now put the value of n, that is 2 into 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. Now total number of atoms you want to calculate, and what is that actually? Now you can write in one molecule there are 12 atoms. How 12 atoms? 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Hi Anna. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So total number of atoms will be कितना हो जाएगा 12 into n. Two into 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. Done.
Yes, sir.
So this is all about correlation between mass, number and volume. This is correlation between mass, number and volume. This is mass, number and volume. This is about mass, number and volume. Akanksha, is there any problem? Rusita,
Yes, sir.
Rusita का है problem? आकांक्षा का problem आहे का रे?
No, sir.
No. ठीक है. So let us close lecture here and we will meet on Sunday. We will meet on Sunday 7 to 8:30. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, our class has been preponed a bit from Saturday. So, can you please change the timing?
Yes. What are you saying?
Sir, actually, our class, which was on 8:30, it has been at 8 o'clock now. So, can you please change the timings?
See how many time I will change the time. Every now parents start shouting. So many times you are changing the number. Changing number, changing time, all these things. क्या संडे का बोल रहे हैं?
No, sir, it is from Saturday.
No, what I'm saying, my lecture is not on Saturday.
No, sir, it is going to change from Saturday. From Saturday onwards.
So your lectures will be Sunday also?
Yes, sir.
why everyone is changing time? Because somehow I'm trying to maintain the decency. Who is taking the lecture?
Sir, NM Kulkarni, sir.
NM Kulkarni. Sunday is also taking the lecture.
Yes, sir.
How many of you from NM Kulkarni? Sahil also there.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am also there.
The same time?
Yes.
I mean from 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What we could do, we can take class from 7 to 8 then. Prepone मैं कर सकता हूँ. I can start from 6:45. I don't have any problem. Early morning.
Sir, on Sunday you are speaking for.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, the one you are speaking 6:45 from, that is for only Sunday or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday?
No, this is for only Sunday.
Then okay, sir.
No problem, sir.
See, this is third, fourth time I have changed my time. But every time only I am changing time, this is also not a good one, na? Otherwise, अभी तुम ही लोग के पेरेंट्स आ रहे हैं, चिल्लाने स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे कि सर क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है. जस्ट मैं एडजस्ट करने का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. अच्छा, फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड थिंग, तुम लोग का जो those who are in IOP में कौन कौन है?
Sir, I am there.
Sir,
Okay.
me.
हाँ, तो IOP का टाइमिंग क्या है?
4:30 to 6.
4:30 to 6. और वो डे क्या है? नंबर ऑफ डेज?
Monday to Saturday.
Monday to Saturday.
मंडे टू सैटरडे डेली?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हे भगवान. चलो, बड़ी अच्छी बात है. और कोई ऐसा टाइम है क्या जिसमें हम लोग मतलब कि एक प्रॉपर थ्रू आउट ईयर मतलब कि जा सकते हैं, है ना, जिससे कभी कभी कोई क्लैशिंग वगैरह ये सब वगैरह ना हो. चलो ठीक है, वी विल डिस्कस लेटर आल्सो. ठीक है रिया. अभी जैसा चल रहा है, पहले 7 को हम लोग संडे को ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड है. ठीक है, पहले 7 से लेते हैं. संडे 7 से लेते हैं. उसके बाद हम लोग देखते हैं आगे क्या कर सकते हैं. आई एम
So,
ट्राइंग
sir,
टू
class,
एडजस्ट टाइम टेबल. हाँ, यस,
So,
7 ऑब्वियसली 7 मॉर्निंग.
sir, classes on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.
वेडनेसडे, यस. ठीक, तो एक संडे मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे जो भी टाइम हम लोग का रहेगा 7:15 से मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे है एंड संडे 7 से है. ठीक, देखता हूं मैं भी टाइम इधर से उधर एडजस्ट करके. आई विल इंक्रीज द टाइम आल्सो मोर. वी विल इंक्रीज स्लोली. डे फर्स्ट से ही मैं तुम लोग के ऊपर क्या है, डे फर्स्ट से ही 50 kg का वेट डाल दूं और बस मर जाओ. What I will do, start with 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, ऐसा will slowly increase. पता भी नहीं चलेगा तुमको. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
चलो, जा सकते हैं.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, bye bye.
Thank you, sir.